Hi, and welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services, helping you facilitate engaging online learning experiences. I just thought I would touch base with you and let you know some of the things that are coming up for me, what I've been working on, and just bring you into some news so you can look out for some exciting things that are to come. One of the things that are coming up in a couple or soon when you see this video is on November 18th, 2021. I'm speaking at the Institute for Performance and Learning Conference. This is the title of the workshop that I'm going to be providing. And it's all about that digital learning experiences where no one has Zoom fatigue or meeting fatigue, because we are on a variety of platforms. And Zoom is definitely my favorite platform, but I use a variety of platforms and tools to create engagement. So this is one of the exciting things that are coming up. I am also going to be speaking on December 6th, 2021 for the CAPS convention, which is the Canadian Association for Professional Speakers. I'm going to be looking at best practices when working with your online event or learning experience virtual team. And I've been continuing to work on my book. It is really exciting to be bringing so many quick pro tips to you if you facilitate and lead virtual workshops or learning experiences online. So that is coming soon. I'm meeting with a potential editor actually in a few minutes from now. So I just wanted to share that. That's getting closer. It's super exciting. Been volunteering with Leadership Niagara. I have taken a couple courses behind the scenes as well. I haven't been promoting it too much recently, but I got 2 badges. One's the Classroom Virtual Facilitator Mastery Series with InSync training, and the Virtual Master or Master Virtual Producer as well. So validating the knowledge I know and continuing to expand on that as well. And some of the things I've been doing with so many fantastic clients is learning and development consulting, learning experience design consulting, individual training when my clients need a variety of different knowledge to expand on what they can do online, and group workshops about engaging online learning experiences, and of course, producing for a variety of amazing speakers and facilitators. We have an online course that you can check out that I'll link below as well if you don't have the opportunity to work with me one-on-one. And we have the learning type quiz to help us all as facilitators to expand beyond. People tend to facilitate in the way they like to receive information. So this expands that information as well. And, so I've been working on a variety of different things behind the scenes, and I just wanted to bring you up to speed as to what is coming up, what I've been busy with. It's been super exciting. You can check out all of our video tutorials and quick tips, blogs, and podcasts. We're here to help you create engaging learning experiences online and turn an audience into participants. Again, my name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. Thanks for checking this out.